Discovery has set a 2-hour special, Discovery Live, Into the Blue Hole, that will be broadcast live from the bottom of one of the largest submerged sinkholes in the world. Into the Blue Hole will premiere Sunday, December 2nd at 4 p.m. ET/1 p.m. PT on Discovery. The special also will air globally. Located 46 miles off the coast of Belize, the Blue Hole is known around the world for its crystal clear water and its abundance of sharks and sea life. The remote spot has only been explored once, in 1971, by ocean expert Jacques Cousteau. The Discovery special will take viewers to the bottom of the sinkhole via a submersible and document the findings. The onboard exploration team will include businessman/philanthropist Sir Richard Branson, explorer Fabien Cousteau, grandson of Jacques Cousteau, and Erika Bergman, the submersible's pilot. Hosted by marine biologist Luke Tipple, Discovery's Shark Week, and presenter Chris Jacobs, host of TLC's Long Lost Family and Velocity's Overhaulin, the special will explore how the Blue Hole was created, how technology has evolved since Cousteau's first mission, and will delve into the legends surrounding the unique spot. Vessels will continue exploring the Blue Hole for 2 weeks after the dive and track the site. The data collected will help researchers and scientists understand how changing sea levels affected its formation and provide key information about climate change patterns, according to Discovery. You can watch a promo below. Discovery Live, Into the Blue Hole is produced for Discovery Channel by Impossible Works and Discovery Studios. Discovery has previously aired live stunt specials, including Nik Wallendas' tightrope walks across the Grand Canyon and a Chicago skyscraper.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.